I'm kidding. You guys thought it was frozen, but it wasn't because I'm here and I'm joking. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Chiccancook. Before I start, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And yeah, today we're going to be making easy homemade mug cakes. So we're going to be making 3 different vegan mug cakes, 90 seconds in the microwave, easy, simple. Let's go. So the 3 different cakes that we're going to be making today are a jam cake, a chocolate cake, because who doesn't love chocolate, and a banana cake, because everyone's going on about the TikToks and banana cakes and blah blah blah. So I thought, hey, let's make a banana cake, but we're going to stuff it with the best secret ingredient ever, Biscoff. Okay, so the first cake that we're going to do is the chocolate cake. So simple, like I said. First thing we've got is 2 tablespoons of flour, self-raising flour. Just going to put that in. Now, I don't know if you can see actually, I love Friends, so this is it's a mug. Yes, it is a mug for you judgy people out there. But it's, if you want to make these recipes and put them in bowls, you can, or you can split them into 2 mugs. It's up to you, because this is a pretty big mug. Okay, anyway, so 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, or cacao, any. I've got half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put that in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to put in, this is caster sugar. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Yep. 1 tablespoon of oil. This is vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil if you like. And 6 tablespoons, or roughly 50 milliliters of any vegan milk, so any non-dairy milk. I've got almond milk, but you can use oat milk, you can use soy milk, it's up to you. Okay, that's done. And we're just going to give this a mix. And finally, now that's all mixed up, I've got here some chopped dark chocolate. I'm just going to add a few pieces in, maybe 2 heaped tablespoons. Just going to mix this all together. And it's as simple as that. This is going to go into the microwave for 90 seconds and it's done. Now for the jam one, all we're going to need are 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour again. We're going to need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, again 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of any oil, so I've got vegetable oil, you can use coconut oil if you like, again like I said, and 6 tablespoons of almond milk, once again, or 50 milliliters. Okay. Just going to mix this all together. That's all ready. Now all we're going to do is take a spoon of this jam. This is my mum's homemade jam. If you guys want to see a video of that, I'll try to convince her to get in a video. Mum? Yeah. Okay. Probably going to edit that out. Okay. Now, we're going to have 1 spoon of this jam directly in the middle. Cover that up. And this is ready for the microwave. Let's get started on the next one. Okay, now the final one is the banana cake. So we're going to start off with 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour again. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, half of a banana, okay, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and again, any oil works. Well, not really olive oil, just because it has quite a strong flavor, but yeah. And then again, 50 milliliters or about 6 tablespoons of, I'm using almond milk, but any vegan milk. So mix that all together. Now this is all mixed up, and just before we put it in the microwave, we're going to stuff it with, well, I'm not sure if you guys are ready for it. What? Biscoff. Now, I know I said I was obsessed with Biscoff. You guys can see, this isn't just an ordinary Biscoff. This is an industrial size Biscoff. Take a spoon of this. Don't want to be too generous. Still my Biscoff. I'm just going to put a spoon of this in. I'm just going to stuff it in the middle. And this is another one, ready for the microwave. Okay, so now all of it's mixed up, and all we're going to do is pop it into the microwave for 90 seconds. So, they've all been in the microwave for 90 seconds, and I've just topped the jam one with some of the extra jam. I've topped the chocolate one with some melted chocolate, or you can use any vegan chocolate spread. And I've topped the Biscoff one with some extra melted Biscoff. Ready for the most important part again, the taste test. Let's go. So I'm just gonna go, this is the jam one. It's like a molten, you can see, soft in the middle, but it's cooked, don't worry. This is really messy. That's really good. No. The chocolate one. This is so good. Let me get into some of that middle. So you can see it's like a molten chocolate cake. Okay. Okay. I know I've got chocolate in my teeth right now. And the banana one, finally. Girl. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, go check them out now. Also, thank you for all the support that everyone's shown me so far. It's been amazing, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya. Oh, just gonna make my own one. Bye.